selamat pagi. Welcome with me, Chandra. We are going to learn about bahasa Indonesia, how to speak Indonesian language. If you want to go to Indonesia, if you want to go to Jakarta, you can learn about Indonesia. Alright. From this channel, I believe you can do it. Just practice yourself to speak in Indonesian. Right, we are going to start from a little things. Now we are going to greet all the people in Indonesia from the morning until the evening. Right. Selamat pagi. Okay, you can try. Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Good morning. It means good morning. Right. Next. Selamat siang. It's your turn. Good. Selamat siang. It means good afternoon. And the third, selamat sore. Selamat sore. Selamat sore, it starts from around 3 p.m. until 6 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, right. Selamat sore. And the last one, selamat malam. Selamat malam. Now your turn. Selamat malam. Right, for today we have 4. Selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, and the last, selamat malam. You got it. You try. It's your turn. Right, good. Now we are going to tell who you are. What's your name? All right. My name is Chandra. Yeah. In bahasa, in Indonesian language, nama saya Chandra. Nama saya Chandra. Right. You can try. Nama saya and then your name. Good. Nama saya Chandra. Right. I am from Indonesia. Saya dari Indonesia. Saya dari Indonesia. It's your turn. Good. Maybe you from all around the world, yeah. You can say saya dari Inggris. It means that you United Kingdom. Saya dari Italy. Bisa juga I am from Italy. Saya dari Jepang. I'm from Japan. Saya dari Jepang. I'm from Japan. Saya dari Prancis. I am from France. Saya dari Prancis. Saya dari Australia. Australia. Right? It means you are Australian people. Okay, that's all from around the world a little bit. And then, how is your feeling? How are you? In bahasa, in Indonesian, apa kabar? Apa kabar? Saya baik-baik saja. I'm fine. I'm fine. Saya baik-baik saja. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm not fine. How are you? I'm not fine. Apa kabar? Saya sedang kurang sehat. Saya sedang kurang sehat. I'm not fine. Saya sedang kurang sehat. Right? Apa kabar? I'm fine. Saya baik-baik saja. Or saya sedang kurang sehat. Saya sedang kurang sehat. Or other language, saya sedang tidak enak badan. I'm not well. How are you? I'm just so-so. Saya biasa-biasa saja. Saya biasa-biasa saja. Oke, apa kabar? Saya baik-baik saja. Saya kurang sehat, tidak enak badan. Or just so-so, saya biasa-biasa saja. Alright, now your turn. You can try. Right? Now you already have how to ask the condition of the people. Right? And then now we are going to learn where do you live? Di mana Anda tinggal? Di mana Anda tinggal? It's not too different from I'm from Australia, saya dari Australia, saya dari Belanda atau dari mana. It's not too different. Ya, I live in Jakarta. Saya tinggal di Jakarta. Saya tinggal di Jakarta. And you can use other language. Saya tinggal di Australia. Saya tinggal di Australia. I live in Australia. Or saya tinggal di Jepang. I live in Japan. Right? It's a very, very simple. Right? This is very, very simple and basic for you. And now, what we have for today? Apa kabar? Then you know the condition, and then how to introduce yourself. Okay, good. Now we are going to make a quiz. Okay, good. Yeah. Alright, now we are going to make a quiz for you for a few questions. Alright. Please guess for this. Right. How to say good afternoon? A. Selamat pagi. B. Selamat siang. C. Selamat sore. Right, which one? The true? Right, good. Number 2. How to say to ask how is your feeling? How are you? A. Apa kabar? B. Saya baik-baik saja. C. Saya sedang kurang sehat. Right. Now number 3. How to say I live in Australia? A. Saya tinggal di Australia. B. Saya dari Australia. C. Saya berasal dari Australia. Alright, for this one, all the lesson, I hope you can learn and your bahasa, your Indonesian, better and better. Thank you for watching and see you next week and bye-bye. See you and bye-bye. Thank you.